Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Tim Cook's compensation at Apple in 2023, layoffs at tech companies in 2024, international roaming plans by Indian telecom companies, India's IT rule amendment to address deepfakes, Apple Vision Pro headset launch, discounted Apple iPhone 15 on Flipkart, NASA's X-59 supersonic aircraft introduction and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Tim Cook received a salary of $63.2 million in 2023, equivalent to approximately rupees 523 crore. This marks a 40% reduction from his total compensation in 2022 as recommended by Apple's compensation committee. Cook's earning comprised a base salary of $3 million, stock awards worth $47 million, non-equity incentive compensation of $10.7 million, and other compensation of $2.5 million. In contrast, Cook's total compensation in 2022 was $99.4 million, mainly due to stock awards of $83 million. Satya Nadella from Microsoft earned $48.5 million in 2023. Sundar Pichai of Google received $226 million in 2022, and Shantanu Narayan of Adobe made $31 million in 2022. Google laid off employees from various teams including voice assistant, Pixel Nest, Fitbit, augmented reality, and central engineering. Amazon announced layoffs in its Prime Video and MGM Studios division as reported by Forbes. Startup Humane fired 10 employees accounting for 4% of its workforce, focusing on the AI pin. Twitch planned to lay off about 35%, 500 roles, while Discord was set to reduce about 17%, 170 employees to enhance company agility. After the COVID-driven growth slowdown last year, multiple tech giants have downsized their workforce in 2024. Next, we have Jio offers a rupees 2,799 annual international roaming plan with 100 minutes, 2 GB data and 100 SMS. Airtel provides a similar rupees 2,997 annual plan including 100 minutes, 2 GB data and 20 SMS. Both Jio and Airtel offer 30-day plan for the USA, Mexico and US Virgin Island with varying data and call minutes. Jio offers a 7-day plan at rupees 898 while Airtel provides a comparable plan at rupees 899. VI's plan costs rupees 2,388 providing 300 minutes, 4 GB data and a 40-day validity. India plans to amend IT rules to tackle the spread of deepfakes, especially with the Lok Sabha elections approaching. Deepfake can cause emotional distress and social harm by creating fabricated content of individuals. Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar met with tech giants like Meta, Google, YouTube, ShareChat, Snapchat, Jio and various ministries. 2 advisories and 2 letters were sent to social media companies to enhance measures against deepfake content. Regulations will focus on detecting deepfakes prevention, strengthening reporting mechanisms and increasing public awareness. Apple is set to launch the Apple Vision Pro headset available in various sizes, ensuring optimal performance for users. The product will be available for pre-order from 19 January with features like face scanning for size suggestions. The headset package includes various components such as band, seal, cushion, front cover, polishing cloth and a USB-C power adapter and cable. The headset is designed not as a one-size-fits-all product, emphasizing the importance of finding the ideal size for users. Microsoft is anticipated to surpass Apple as the world's most valuable company in 2023. Next up, we have the Apple iPhone 15 is available at a discounted price of rupees 68,999 on Flipkart, down from its launch price of rupees 79,900. Flipkart Plus users can avail of additional discount, bringing the effective price down to rupees 68,999. Users can get an instant cashback of rupees 4,000 by using an HDFC credit card for the purchase. The phone comes with a 48 megapixel primary camera, dual camera setup for high quality 4K video and long-term support. Flipkart's Republic Day sale from January 13 may offer further discount on the iPhone 15. At last, NASA and Lockheed Martin introduced the X-59 quiet supersonic aircraft as part of the Quest mission. The aircraft aims to collect data to revolutionize commercial air travel by achieving supersonic speed with reduced noise. The X-59 is set to fly at 1.4 times the speed of sound or 925 mph, generating a quieter sonic thump. NASA plans to share data and technology with regulators and industry to demonstrate the feasibility of quiet commercial supersonic travel. Initial flight tests will be conducted at Skunk Works before transferring the aircraft to NASA's Armstrong Flight Research Center. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।